Hey, today we are going to be roasting salmon the easiest way possible. It's always a hit with our family. Let's get started. You want to preheat an oven, and I just don't want to touch the salmon, so I like to use a glove. So we're going to move this over to a baking sheet. You can line your baking sheet, but we're going to place it, leaving a little bit of space in between each one. I'm gonna season the salmon with garlic parsley salt. This is one of my favorite seasonings for a lot of the seafood. Just wanna be generous all around. Slice up some lemon slices. Place them on top of the salmon. We just need little tiny slices of butter on top. This will give the salmon lots of flavor. A lot of people use melted butter. I actually like when the butter melts on top of the salmon and like soaks into the salmon as it bakes. So I prefer this method. Now we're just gonna pop this in the oven. You wanna bake it at first at 425 for about 6 minutes or maybe even 5 minutes, depending on the thickness of the salmon. And then you're gonna broil it for a little bit to create that crust on the outside, and it's done. You can do a little sprinkle of herbs on top right before serving, and ta-da, you're done.